Hello, I'm here at the Temple of Isis in Philae, Egypt, welcoming you and blessing you and coming into this beautiful day. We're here and just take a look at this beautiful complex and this beautiful entrance. This is the entrance gate to the temple, the outer courtyard, and we're here with the Priestess Pilgrimage. And so just come with me as I show you a little bit about and where we're going to be for the May 5th 555 Portal of Creation Codes Activation Ceremony live from the Temple of Isis. So follow me as we walk through the gateway, enter into this beautiful ancient temple with us in Aswan, Egypt. As we come in this beautiful inner courtyard, and then as you would go through the door there into the inner sanctum, as you move closer and closer into the sanctuary, the Holy of Holies. And so we'll be gathering on May 5th at 5:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. May 5th, 2021. It's the 555. We're meeting on the 5th day of the 5th month in the 5th year at the 5th hour. And it is 8:30 p.m. May 4th, California time, and 11:30 p.m. East Coast time. And so join us live. Join the Priestess Pilgrimage, join our beautiful sacred circle on May 5th as we come together to bring in the new codes, the new ninth dimensional creation codes, the new codes of light that have been held in the Temple of Isis. Isis has called us together and she's calling you. And so feel the call and join us, join this and be incredible, once in a lifetime event where we're coming live from this beautiful temple. And you can go to lightpriestesstemple.com to register, and you can go to Jennifer Shira, Facebook, Instagram, and register and join us, and don't miss out, and feel the energy and bring in the new golden age together as we open and create the new humanity, bringing in and activating the new humanity on earth together in sacred circle. Just sending you so much love and so much love from the Temple of Isis in Egypt. Blessings.